Hello, and welcome to the stream. I'm building a new PC. Well, it's gonna be a mixture of new and old. You know what? I want to do something before we start here. Let's get some music going. It's kind of quiet, but I didn't want it to be too loud. That should be working fine. Alright, let's get down to it. Now, before we start, I'm going to show you what we got today. We got Core i7 unlocked. It's a 7700K LGA 1151. 4.2 gigahertz, 8 megabytes cache, and other stuff. This is what we got right there. See that? Alright, for our RAM, we got 2 by 8 gigabytes, a 16 total. Speed is 2133. That's Corsair Vengeance. There. Tyler, are you watching? Oh, I see that. Audio is poo. How poo? How poo is the audio? Like it's just kind of bad because I can't really do a lot about it. Like if it's just like excessive background noise. I'm using the MXL 770, so. Well, that's not what I'm asking. Tell me about the, what's it say? I did use the Yeti. I plugged that in first, and then there was a lot of background noise, so I was like, yeah, I'll just use the 770 instead. Is it too quiet? Because I can put the gain, it's okay. Fine, it's fine. You know what you could do? You could join the Discord right now, and you could be on the stream, if you want to. That's up to you. You don't have to. I'm not pressuring you to join Discord, but if you join the Discord now, I'll be able to hear you, and so will the stream. I can turn the gain up. I'll do that. Alright, is that any better, or is that bad or worse? Is it clipping? I don't think it's clipping. Let me see. I told him to join the Discord, I don't know if he is. I think he's joining the Discord, but I don't know. What's it say? Haley is using my computer. Nah, audio is good. Okay, anyway. On with the show. This is the old computer. Basically, we're gonna have to take everything out and put the new things in, because I got a whole brand new motherboard, which I didn't actually say what this was. It's an Asus Prime Z270A. It's got all the bells and whistles you'd want. At least anything I would want. It's in there. Flip that around so you guys can see it. That's what it is right there. I'm sure you can Google that and see all this stuff you want to see about that. I need a screwdriver. So let's take out the old graphics card first. It's a good place to start. Good as place as any. Man, there's 2 screws holding the thing in. Pull that out of there. Maybe. Yeah, that little switch. Come on. It doesn't want to come out. Oh, it's like 3 screws holding this damn thing in. I think I'd remember doing that. There it is. Set that over there for now. You know what I want to do? Real quick. See if this does anything.
Going on here.
Oh, hey, look, you're on the stream.
Yeah, my microphone is like fucked up, man.
Holy shit, that's so loud. Why did you make that so loud?
Hold on, I'm turning it down. Turning it down. Okay. All right, we're good to go. I think we're good to go.
All right, I'm changing a thing on Streamlabs. I don't want that chat to be up there the whole time. I want to get it to disappear after so much time.
It's like 5 or 2 seconds or something like that.
2 seconds. That's
5 seconds.
Too much.
I don't know.
Where is it at?
Hold on. I need to. Oh man, you're gonna echo. I'm either gonna have to mute. Yeah, I'm just gonna mute. No, I can't do that. I don't know.
Where are we at? All right, should disappear after 15 seconds now. Yeah, should disappear after 15 seconds.
All right, Mr. Clippy.
Oh yeah, well I'm right next to the mic right now, so
I can't hear you. I gotta. All right, there we go. All right, now I can hear you.
You called me Mr. Clippy, but I was like right next to the mic when you said that. Can you type something in chat so I can see if it shows up and then disappears?
Oh, in the Twitch chat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get on Twitch. I have to watch an advertisement because my Amazon Prime is, you know.
I still have Amazon Prime. They offered me a free trial and I don't know why. Where's my screwdriver?
I guess I'm just gonna turn the stream audio down some. Oh, yeah, because I can hear myself. It's funny. Like, turn it way down.
Alright, I'm taking out the old wireless card now. I gotta take the antennas off. I broke one of the antennas. It still works, but like, it's kind of broken.
You should just... never mind.
I could probably order a new antenna. Like, which one is it? Is it this one? It's one of these. See, it's only slightly broken, and it's so slightly broken that I can't even tell which one it is. Oh, it's this one. See, it's like, oh, I can't really. See that? It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be just on there like that. And then it does that. But it comes out like that.
Should just go wired, bro.
Yeah, let me just wire my router from all the way downstairs all the way upstairs. Let me just do that.
You should.
Yeah, why don't you come over here and do it?
We tried that before.
Yeah, I know.
Didn't didn't turn out so well.
Did not. Okay, now I gotta take out my USB 3.0 card, which
Actually, I don't know, man. I don't think your parental unit would not be very supportive of like if we professionally installed.
jeez. I don't know. I don't think it would make much of a difference because I get like 70 megabits download with this wireless card, and we pay for 60.
Oh, well, I guess. I mean, yeah, no, I just have to mute the stream completely. You know what's funny? Is it still says poop on the screen for me.
Seriously? I just saw that. Let me look at Streamlabs. Hang on.
So I was looking at new cases.
Yeah.
And I found the one I want. It's
cool.
It's really expensive.
Okay, try the chat now.
Spelled chart wrong.
I set it to 15 seconds, so I gotta wait 15 seconds.
15 seconds? Why not like 5 or 10?
Ah, there it goes. We're good. Alright, so so far we got the wireless card, my USB 3.0 card, and my graphics card. It's all good and out. Now I should start unplugging some of these cables. Did this song already play?
I'm not listening. What song?
Oh, right. I don't know. I thought I...
Hold on. I'll tell you.
No, it didn't. Digital Lemonade didn't play yet.
No, did not.
Okay.
So last night I found the imaging heap button in Fruity Loops.
Oh. Isn't that just vocoder?
No, I didn't use vocoder. I used Pitcher. I think vocoder would probably work a lot better though. I wonder if I could get it to play through the stream. I probably could.
You probably could if you tried hard enough.
If I use voice meter, I definitely could.
Jeez.
But that's like a whole process.
You know what's a whole process? Replacing your PC motherboard.
I mean, for me it'd be really easy because I just have to unplug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like seven or 8 different things, and then just take the screws out and it'd come right out.
Got my HyperX Fury RAM here.
Yeah,
that's my old RAM.
That's the good stuff, HyperX, you know.
But that's DDR3 for my old one, so.
I think my computer, my server takes DDR3. Might be DDR2, I don't know.
Now this is the hardest thing. I mean, not right now the hardest thing, but it will be when I go to plug in these tiny little things that you gotta plug in to the bottom.
No, it won't. Because ASUS, yeah, I know what you're talking about, but ASUS, they have a little a thing that you plug, like it's an interface that goes in between the two, in between the board, and you plug it into that, and then you plug that into the board.
Oh, well, that'll make things easier.
My motherboard didn't come with one. My motherboard didn't come with a lot of different things because it was open box, and Newegg is a terrible place to buy things from.
I got Jingle Bells playing now. I added that to the playlist because I was like,
Nice.
yeah, 'tis the season.
I guess.
Man, I gotta take this fan out of here and everything because I won't be able to get the motherboard out unless I take this fan out.
Hey, did you get new thermal paste?
I was hoping it just came with the thing, but it might not have.
With what thing?
I might be screwed. With the CPU.
No.
I might not have thermal paste then.
You could do your best to scrape off what's on your current CPU, but
that's no good.
I wouldn't
Advise it.
overclock it at all.
Do you have thermal paste?
Nope.
Okay. Well, let's see if there's any in here. Do you think that one place down the street would have it?
It's Saturday.
Are they closed on Saturday?
Probably. You could call one of the other computer stores in Alliance, and I would imagine they would carry some, I mean, they probably wouldn't like sell it to you, but like you could probably like be like, hey, could you just like put a glob on my CPU?
Trying to remember. Let me check. I might have some. Like, I think, because when I got this cooler, I might have some.
It didn't come with like a pad already on it.
Maybe?
That's like generally how they do it.
A pad on.
Like there's just like a little like it's already on there, and then you just flip it on there. Like it's already on the
cooler or
yeah.
Well, I'm checking anyway. Got all my computer stuff out. Might be shit out of luck here.
What's that place called? The Alliance Computer Exchange?
Yeah.
See if they're open. They're closed. Hold on. I'm looking. That's not a computer store. You might be in luck.
Why?
Staples might have thermal paste, but I doubt it.
Yeah, that's what I'm checking now.
I'm gonna call them real quick. This is not gonna go well.
Yeah, I don't think they do.
Thank you for calling Staples. We're here to help you make more happen for less today and every day. Need something in a hurry? Buy it online and pick it up at the Staples store of your choice in just 1 hour. No shipping fee. Exclusions apply. Go to staples.com/pickup today to learn more. For store hours and directions, press 1. For information on our print, marketing, and shipping services, press 2. For a tech services associate, press 3. For all other products and services, press 4. For office supplies and furniture, press 1. For information regarding returns, press 3. For information regarding employment verification, press 4. For all other products and services, press 5. To repeat,
Oh yeah. That sounds just as bad on my end as it does on yours.
thanks for holding. How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you guys carried a specific product. Well, not specific, but a certain product. I was wondering if you guys carried thermal paste by any chance.
I'm sorry, what was it?
Thermal paste?
Specify what it's for.
Thermal paste?
Paste. It's for putting computers together, specifically putting heat sinks on processors.
Like paste, P-A-S-T-E?
Yes.
Okay, thermal paste. That's a good question. Let me go find out for you.
I feel like it's gonna be a no.
Gotta tweak the PRAM, bro. Why does this sound very similar to like Two Girls, One Cup music?
I don't know.
Unfortunately, we do not carry that.
Oh, bummer. Well, thanks anyway.
Yeah, no problem. You have a good day.
Alright, you too.
I might be shit out of luck here.
Well, you might be able to go to Best Buy. That's all the way in Canton.
Yeah, I know it is.
Which, at that point, might as well just...
Well,
I
I
don't
could at
know,
least get
order
it
it.
today.
Yeah. I mean, they'll sell it online, but I wonder if they have it in their store. Somewhere in Canton will most definitely have thermal paste. Maybe.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Where to buy thermal? Radio Shack? No, there's no such thing as Radio Shack. I just need a number. I mean, they have the Geek Squad, so like, you know.
Yeah, they definitely would probably have some in the store somewhere.
Yeah.
Thanks for calling Best Buy in Canton.
Oh my god. Scared the
we
shit
are
out of
open
me.
from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m.
No, I
Tomorrow
found
we
it.
are
It's,
open from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m.
I already got it's they have it.
In store?
It says I can pick it up, available today. Pick up North Canton.
Well, we should do that.
Yeah. Problem,
What?
I don't have a car right now.
I do. If you just give me gas money.
Sure.
I always have a car. Except for that one time when I didn't have a car.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, I don't know if we're going to Cedar Point anymore because my car blew up.
Good times.
So I was looking at Winterfest, like looking at the stuff to do there, and there was like a chance Haley wasn't gonna go, so I was just gonna go with one of my friends,
Yeah.
who happens to be a girl, and I'm glad I looked it up because like that would have been really awkward if it just would have been her and I.
Why?
It's very, the whole thing is like, it's very family friendly, family oriented, like Christmas stuff that you would do with a significant other. Like you wouldn't just
see.
go and do it with your friend. I mean, you like if you and I went, it'd be one thing.
It wouldn't be gay?
It would, well, there'd probably be some
Well,
people who thought, but
I'm pretty sure we get some looks sometimes. Like the other day when we were at, where were we?
Jalisco?
Jalisco. And Haley got up to leave, and Benny was like attracting attention from the table behind us. I was like, I wonder if they think we're like gay parents for Benny.
One of those gay people. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Hey, man. We should try and become we should still call Best Buy to make sure they absolutely have it. That way we don't.
I'm gonna order it online.
Oh, okay.
And then pick it up in the store.
Seems legit.
Trying to anyway.
The nice board you got there.
Yeah, I like it.
Which one is it?
The Prime Z270A.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah. It's better than what I have. I mean, we're on two different platforms, but it's still a better board.
Platforms? What do you mean?
Yeah, you're on X270. I'm on X99, or H270. I'm on X99.
What? These are just numbers. I don't know what you mean.
It's the chipset.
Right. Okay.
It's a different chipset. Like, your processor wouldn't fit onto my board.
Right.
It's a different socket, different chipset altogether. You know how close I came to building a system with the 6700K, which would have been the same version of your processor, but a generation earlier? I was like super close, because that it made the difference. Like, was a difference of like, I don't know, like a lot of money. It was like a difference of like $1,000 almost.
Shit.
Yeah, but when I made the decision to go to X99, I had to upgrade everything else. Like, my original plan was this, and you never stick to your original plan ever. Well, I don't. But my original plan was to do a Z170 build, and that would have been an Intel 6700K, and then a NVIDIA, the Founders Edition, mind you, 1070. But I was just gonna like do like 120 or 100, however many gigs it is. What is it? 128 gigs of RAM, which would have been like super overkill, because I don't even think that processor could handle that much RAM. No, definitely can't. I think it only holds up to like, can only handle 64 gigs. Yeah, no, it can only do 64 gigs because there's only.
What?
Wubba-lubba-dub-dub!
That was Best Buy texting me about my order.
What'd they say? We don't have it.
I don't know. I ordered it, so should be able to go pick it up now. It doesn't say it's like ready to pick up, but I can't imagine it's gonna take more than an hour. They have it, basically. It's in the store. Well, Do you wanna head over? Tyler? Hello? Hello? Tyler? Where'd you go? He just disappeared. Alright, I'm gonna stop the stream for now since I can't really go any further with this.